Are you planning to study in Germany? Getting your student visa is one of the most important steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, from gathering documents to the visa interview. Watch till the end for expert tips to increase your chances of approval. Our first topic is check visa eligibility. Let us know about it. If you're a non-EU student, like an Indian student, you need a student visa to study in Germany. Types of student visas. There are two types of visas. Student visa, for students who already have university admission, and student applicant visa, for students still applying to universities or waiting for admission results. Pro tip: apply at least 3 months before your course starts to avoid delays. Step 2. Gather required documents. Here's your checklist for a German student visa. Make sure you have everything ready. First, university admission letter. Second, valid passport with at least 6+ months validity. Third, biometric photos as per Germany's requirements. Fourth, proof of financial means €11,208 in a blocked account. Fifth, health insurance proof. Sixth, academic certificates and transcripts. Seventh, visa application form and cover letter. Direct hit pro tip: double-check all documents and keep multiple copies to avoid last-minute hassles. Step 3. Open a blocked account. Why is blocked account required? The German government requires proof that you can support yourself financially during your studies. You must have at least €11,208 deposited in a blocked account, which limits monthly withdrawals to ensure financial stability. Popular banks for a blocked account: Expatrio, fast processing and student-friendly services. Fintiba, digital application and direct integration with health insurance. Coracle, no setup fee and easy approval process. Deutsche Bank, traditional banking option, but slower processing. Step 4. Book a visa appointment. To apply for your German student visa, you must book an appointment at the VFS Global Center or the German Consulate in your city. How to book an appointment? Visit the VFS Global website or the official German Consulate website. Select your country, India, and the type of visa, student visa. Choose your nearest VFS center: Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, etc. Pick an available appointment date and fill in the required details. Confirm your booking and save the appointment confirmation. Step 5. Attend your visa interview. Your visa interview is a crucial step in getting approved. Here's what to expect. What happens during the interview? There are some common questions. Why do you want to study in Germany? Which university have you been admitted to? What are your future career plans? How will you fund your studies? Documents verification. The officer will check your passport, admission letter, financial proof, and other required documents. Next, biometric data collection. Your fingerprints and photo will be taken as part of the process. Some pro tips which you should see at least once. First, practice answering confidently, stay calm and clear. Secondly, dress professionally to make a good impression. Third, arrive early to avoid last-minute stress. Final reminder: a well-prepared interview increases your chances of approval. Step 6. Track your application and get your visa. Visa processing time. German student visa processing typically takes 4 to 12 weeks, so be patient. How to track your visa status? Visit the VFS Global website and go to the Track Your Application section. Enter your reference number and date of birth. Check for updates on whether your visa is approved, in process, or if more documents are needed. What to do if your visa is delayed? Check your email for any additional document requests from the embassy. Contact the German embassy/consulate if your application is taking longer than expected. Make sure your phone is accessible in case they need further verification. Getting your visa. Once approved, you'll receive your passport with the German student visa stamp. The visa typically starts 90 days before your course begins. You must extend it in Germany. Step 6. Pro tips for success. Quick summary of key steps. First, check visa eligibility. Non-EU students need a German student visa. Second, gather required documents. Ensure all paperwork is complete. Third, open a blocked account. Deposit €11,208 for financial proof. Fourth, book a visa appointment. Schedule early via VFS Global. Fifth, attend your visa interview. Answer confidently and provide correct documents. Sixth, track your application and get your visa. Stay updated on VFS Global. Additional pro tips. First, double-check all documents before submission to avoid delays. Second, open your blocked account early to prevent last-minute issues. Third, attend your visa interview with confidence. Practice answering common questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends planning to study in Germany. Good luck with your visa process. See you in Germany.